Solve the following equation. Here is cot, here is cosec, and I want to show you one formula. Look here, this formula. 1 minus sin square x cos square x by sin square x. This means, let's take LCM. It will be sin square x. 1 minus cos square means sin square. It is 1. Then look, 1 minus sin square is cosec square, and cos by sin is cot. Cos square x by sin square x, cot square x. This equals to 1. Just now we have proved. So it means, if this is formula of class 9, then this is also formula. This cot goes this side, 1 comes this side. It will be cosec square x minus 1 equal to cot square x. So this is formula we just derived here. So in place of cot square x, we will write cosec square x minus 1. Cosec square x minus 1. Now others copy as it is. Cosec x minus 1 equal to 0. Then after what we do? Do one thing. Cosec square x minus cosec x minus minus 2 equal to 0. Then do middle term splitting method. Cosec square x minus 2 cosec x plus cosec x minus 2 equals to 0. Do you have any confusion? I think no confusion, because minus 1 equals to minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So we just break down from this. Then after, take common. Take cosec x common. We will be remaining cos x minus 2. And from here also take 1 common. 1 is common to everything. Cosec x minus 2 equal to 0. Now, this is clearly seen. These two are common. So take it. This is common, and remaining cosec x plus 1. And remaining is this. After that, what we can do is, we can do either this or this. Cosec x minus 2 equal to 0. Cosec x plus 1 equal to 0. Then do one thing. Cosec x equals to 2. Cosec x equal to minus 1. Then after this, do this. 1 by sin x equal to 2. Then do here 1 by sin x equal to minus 1. After this, make here, this goes this side, this goes this side. Make here like this. Sin x equal to 1 by 2. Any confusion? Do cross multiplication, you will understand. Here also, sin x equals to minus 1. It is clearly seen, no need to do. So this will be sin x equals to sin 30 degree. Because sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. And this is, how much degree this? Minus 1. This we can write it as sin 270 degree also. But if it is minus 1, then we must use one special case. Special case. If we have to solve by this method, then we have to solve very long. हाम्रो रङ हुन्छ यो गर्दै गयौँ भने कहाँ पुगेर. Special case given in book. In page number how much? Page number I don't know. But it was given. Sin x equals to, direct we can write 2n pi minus pi by 2. And it is given in, let me see, page number 147. Page number 147. Is this visible? Yes, page number 147. Then after we can write it as 1 denominator, 2 to the 4n pi minus pi. I don't know from where this came, but this is formula. So we have to read. Sin x equals to pi by 2 common, remaining 4n minus 1. This is one of the answer. But look here, we can derive it like this way also. Easy to understand, I will say. Easy to understand like this also. Look here, sin x equals to minus 1, yes. Sin 270 means minus 1. So in place of minus 1, write sin 270 also. And 270 means how much? 360 minus 90. So you can write it as sin 360 minus 90 also. Then 360 means how much? 2 into 180 minus 90 means pi by 2. Then here is sin x. Here also sin x. Then x equals to 2 pi, yes, here 2 pi. But we have to make some rotation also. For series we have to make one rotation. We have to enter n also. 2n pi minus pi by 2. We have to make this formula, general formula, which can be used for all the values. So we use here 2n pi. And what is there in special case? 2n pi minus pi by 2. So we can understand it by like this also. Now let's solve this side. This side we haven't solved. Sin x equals to sin 30 means 180 by 6, pi by 6. Then there is one formula for sin. Sin formula I will write here. Formula is x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n theta. This is the formula. Another formula is also there, but let's use this formula. This is first priority formula. Another is easy formula. This is first priority, so let's write here n pi plus minus 1 power n theta. Theta means pi by 6. And let me tell you one thing. For every question we have to check if this satisfies the equation or not. For every question, let's check for n equals to 0. For n equals to 0, x equals to, this will be 0, plus also minus also. Plus minus means both plus minus we have to check. Okay, then we are going to check plus minus both. This side taking plus, n equal to 0 means something power 0 means 1. Minus 1 into pi by 6, it will be pi by 6. This side positive. Let's mark here. This is positive side and this is negative side. In negative side here will be 0 and here is 0 means minus 1. This became 0. Something power minus 1 is always 1. Look here, 5 power 0 is minus 1. And also look here, suppose minus 5 power 0 is also 1. So minus 1 power 0, it will also be 1. Minus 1 power 0 also 1. So it will be 1. And we are taking negative. Minus, this is 1 pi by 6. I think here we had misconception. We are taking positive value and minus 1 power n is already positive. How come negative? I think my mind get confused. Here it is pi by 6, it is minus pi by 6. And this is plus 30, it is minus 30. Now let's put this value in this equation. This, because it is very short. Look here, sin 30, it will give 2. It means positive will satisfy. And look, minus 30. Sin minus 30 will give minus 2. Here is minus 2. No, here is plus 2. So negative will not satisfy. Let's try for one more thing. For one more, okay, let's do in rough here. For n equals to minus 1. Let's not take negative, let's take positive. For n equal to 1. X equals to, n pi means 1 pi. And we are taking positive here, plus. And minus 1 power 1 means, yes, minus 1. Pi by 6. This is how much? This is pi minus pi by 6. It is 5 pi by 6. This is taking positive. Now taking negative. X equals to, n means 1. It will be pi. We are taking here negative. So minus. Minus 1 power 1. It is always minus 1. Pi by 6. Now we will get here pi plus pi by 6. It is 7 pi by 6. And let's check 5 pi by 6. Look here, 5 pi by 6 means 150. 7 pi by 6 means 210. This we got taking positive value. From plus minus we took positive value. And this we got taking negative value. Now let's check the result. 1 upon sin 150 equals to 2. It satisfies this equation? Yes. So give here tick. Now let's check for 210 also. 210 minus 2. Minus 2. Is there minus 2? No. Means it does not satisfy. So negative term does not satisfy. Therefore our answer is x equals to n pi. What a mistake. N pi only plus power n pi by 6. Let's write here clearly. Our answer is n pi plus minus 1 power n pi by 6. This is our answer. These two are our answer. Be ready to do next question 9b. Goodbye.